Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best folder set available. The Tamaki colored plastic folders with pockets. A 4-pack that brings both functionality and style to your organization needs. If you're someone who juggles papers, assignments, or important documents, this folder set is designed to make your life easier and more colorful. First off, these folders are made from high-quality polypropylene plastic, which means they're durable and built to last. Unlike traditional paper folders that can tear or wear out quickly, these plastic folders are flexible, tear-resistant, and water-resistant, making them perfect for daily use in any environment, whether it's at home, school, or the office. You can easily wipe them clean if they get dirty, which is a big plus for keeping your workspace tidy. Each folder measures 11 by 8.5 inches, ideal for US letter-sized documents and smaller items, so you know your papers will fit snugly without bending or folding. Inside, each folder features 2 pockets, allowing you to separate your documents efficiently. This 2-pocket design helps you organize your papers by category, project, or priority, keeping everything neat and accessible. One of the standout features is the mini label pocket on the front of each folder. This little addition lets you classify and identify the contents quickly without having to open the folder. It's a simple touch that can save you time and keep your filing system streamlined. The folders come in a set of 4 with beautiful pastel colors: blue, green, orange, and pink. These vibrant colors not only brighten up your workspace but also help you visually separate different subjects or projects, making organization more intuitive and less of a chore. The folders are lightweight, weighing just 8.4 ounces for the set, so carrying them around won't weigh you down. Despite being lightweight, their heavy-duty plastic construction ensures they can hold over 50 sheets comfortably, making them suitable for thick reports or collections of documents. Another practical feature is that these folders do not have prongs or fasteners, which means they protect your papers without punching holes or causing damage. This is especially helpful for documents you want to keep intact or handouts that you might need to remove easily. In terms of size and compatibility, these folders fit perfectly into standard 3-ring binders if you prefer, though they also work great as standalone folders for quick access to your documents. Overall, the Tamaki colored plastic folders with pockets offer a durable, functional, and visually appealing way to keep your paperwork organized. Whether you're a student managing homework and projects, a professional handling reports and files, or just someone who likes to keep life in order, these folders are designed to meet your everyday needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Stay organized and see you in the next video.